Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to unbox a thing that you'll know later. So do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Do not forget to share and ring the bell. So let's get started. So guys, let's get started. So this is the poster colors. So we are gonna color from it. So yeah, this can believe it had six shades and six shades. So let's box it. So first I'm gonna cut this from here. I'm using a cutter because this is kind of hard. So let's get started. Okay. Kind of opening like this is so hard to open. I don't know. So yeah, just let's open this. So I just opened it out. This was the packet, and wow, look at it. So let's open it. So I just opened it, and it is with a parrot. This is a free palette. You can keep colors and then mix it. It will look pretty. So this is the palette one. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for the colors, and this is the paper for camel interlabel art contents. So let's see the colors. So it has a blue color, so smally blue color, lighter and unmiracle. Oh, this is, see which color is this? Cobalt blue hue. So this is blue color, see, cobalt blue hue. Can you see? Wait. So yeah. And this is red color, poster red. Let's see what his name. This name is poster red, and yeah, this is red color. Let's go with white. This is poster white. This is poster like small mini white. Let's see, leave that. And this is green. Its name is poster green, also poster green. And this is lemon yellow, and this is poster black. So guys, so this is our video. Guys, comment if you want me to color with these and post it on YouTube. Bye.